Got this at Walmart for just under $8. I think it was like $7.97 maybe. It looks like a Leek. I've never owned a Leek. I don't really like the blade shape of the Leek, but I thought I'd try this out after seeing a couple videos. Aluminum handle, spring assisted open, stainless steel blade. Looks like a deep carry clip. 4.25 inch aluminum handle, 3 inch stainless steel blade, frame lock, model 6311. It's a nice blue color. The frame is about as thick as the, or the lockup is about as thick as the blade, so that looks pretty good. No over travel. The clip looks like it acts as an over travel stop. So let me rephrase that. No over travel stop, but the clip looks like it acts as an over travel stop. Sharpening choil. See if I can do this with the phone in my hand. Doesn't seem to be any blade play. Yeah, you can feel that. Slightly off center. Super deep carry clip. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of the blade shape, which is why I was never interested in the Leek. But for $8, this is pretty cool. Slim. I'll never get the usage out of the price for a Leek as far as the money goes, and I doubt I'll even get $8 worth of usage out of this, since I already have my usual knife that I'm using. Little black back spacer there, but hey, I'd love to see other versions or other knives like this with different blade shapes. So there you go. Ozark Trail model, what was that, 6311? I already forgot.